Hello po! Pangalan ko po si Trudis. Nag-aaral po ako sa NC Santiago. Tuturo ko po sa inyo paano po buksan yung online task po namin. Okay. Ito po, bubuksan nyo po yung Google. Next, pindutin nyo yan. HTTPS po. Okay, enter nyo na rin po to. Ilagay nyo po dun sa student po. Ayan po, student. Ilagay nyo na rin po yung use and your ID. Okay, at bindutin nyo tong password nyo po. Okay, login nyo na. Next, ilagay nyo po dito sa transaction. Okay, ilagay nyo sa learning modules. Nakita nyo yung arrow dyan, bindutin nyo to. Next, ilalagay muna natin sa English 5. Itong student modules, ipindutin nyo siya. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Week 5 pa muna ito. Compound sentence muna po ito. I-open natin. Isang bindot lang. Yan. Okay, hintayin lang muna natin. Okay, lock na natin ito. Okay, English time muna tayo. Tuturuan ko po kayo paano buksan po yung click here po. Ibindutin mo na siya at dalawa pang mabili ko. Okay, open hyperlink. Yes mo po siya. Okay, hintayin lang po natin siya. Okay? Panoodin lang po na natin siya. I-stop po natin yun mamaya dahil may gagawin pa po tayo.
Hi and welcome to your virtual class. I am Teacher Judy. At the end of this presentation, we're going to use compound sentences to show cause and effect. Look at the picture. What do you think the boy is doing? The boy is sleeping. Why do you think the boy looks sleepy? He must be tired. At the end of this presentation, we are expected to use compound sentences to show cause and effect. Let us study the sentence. Let us read all together. The product was rated poorly because it was below the standard. What happened? The product was rated poorly. That is the effect.
Po natin. Ito po. Babasahin muna natin ito. Compound sentence are made up of two simple sentences connected by our coordinating conjunction. Okay, next na natin siya. Dahil marami, mamaya na lang natin siya babasahin. Okay, lagyan na natin siya dito sa answeran. Ito yung answeran namin. Isusulat namin yan dun sa papel namin po. Sunod, ipipicturean namin yung answeran po namin. Okay? Isa-send po kay teacher. Okay? Okay. Tapos na yung kan po natin. I-X na po natin. Bye-bye!